Hello everyone, this is Esper and we're back here on Yooka-Laylee. Hello everyone. Alright, so last time we got here in the glitter glaze. I'm thinking about going ahead. We should have enough stuff that we could probably go ahead and how did I get... I was thinking about like going back and up. Yeah, okay. Going back and go ahead and upgrading it. Because there's certain spots like you see that you can do, but then can't get to it yet because it's not been upgraded yet. So we're gonna go ahead and upgrade it because I don't think it didn't really mess with other stuff. So let's go ahead and you'll need 5 of those pages. Yes, I would like to. I should have plenty of pages. Da-da-da-da-dun. All right, let's jump in. Newly updated. Was thinking about it. I doubt I'm gonna 100% the series or anything. I'm not gonna go and try to find every little thing. I'm gonna explore it as much as I want and get through the story is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna enjoy what I do, but when I don't think I'm gonna push myself on to find every hidden thing in these. Because then it turned into a really long series. Is that we spent our pages on a key? We haven't even found that spot, honestly. Oh, the second ice key. Well, 2 is better than 1. What a ripoff! I was expecting an extra continent. I do have a slight like cough going on, so I apologize if I cough a little bit during it. It's not too bad, but just a little bit of one. Okay, there's my... Can I... We've got a lot more to explore, I know. Oh, I hate the eyeballs. I want to just avoid them. Get away from me. Can I go up? Okay. Ice key. There was like a tower up there. How do we... Well, I guess we'll go this way. We'll see what we can do. Can we... Does this help us go up here to this fire? Yeah. Whee! Got him! I thought we got another ghost. Did we not get another ghost in here? Oh, let's see here. We've got the little quantum thing. There's a play button. There's a jeweled butterfly. Like a power thing. 4 more ghosts to get. We've got 5 pages left. Awesome. We got that. Hi there. Don't think we have anything new there. We're gonna run past you again. I don't want to mess with you guys. Up the hill. Ugh. We fell in the water. Ah! We're gonna die. Go up, go up, go up before we run out of like air. So cold. I know, so cold. I can't see where we're supposed to be going. Oh. Warm up. Nope, no, 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 fall off again. No, 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 no. Ugh. You come here? It's hard to move on this slippery ass. Stay warm. Get out of here. Ow! Oh, this is the guy we met. But he was already so beat up by the time we found him. Okay, let's back at the beginning probably. Oh, ow. That hurt. I'm just going, guys. I'm going away. Bye. Okay. How do we get up on those platforms? Probably the ice bridge. Can I make it? Can I make it? Yeah, barely. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Got like those baby squeaky shoes. Get off. Like you guys. You're annoying. Have we been in that cave? I think we have. Anyone? Can we get up there with the sticky, or does it have to be the warm? The sticky's right beside it, which makes me wonder. Oh, get up there. Oh. And more of it there. Rocks and such. I'm not sure how I get up there. I'm worried about falling. I'm gonna need that sticky to even get up here. Get it? Yeah. Go! I can't move! Too cold, too cold. No, 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 I just slid. No! In the water we go. Too cold. Up, up, up. Okay. Well, we kind of know how that goes, at least. Okay. We get to roll and it's not too bad, but when you're trying to start on it, it doesn't seem to... Ah, slippery! Oh, there's a stepping pad right there. Eyeballs over there. Nope, I'm gonna miss. I'm gonna miss. Okay. Okay. Just do our best to run past. Run past. Run, 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 run. Don't pay me attention, please. No, no, no! We lost that. No, and we're back at the water. Up. Okay. Oh my goodness. I might as well just try to swim it. And there's stuff in the water. Oh no, actually this might be a bad idea. Get me up. Okay. I want to get up this hill. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay, run up. Let's go, let's go. Oh! It's hard to move. There we go. And he's back. Not gonna make it. Okay. We're getting a little farther each time we fall. Slow turn. Don't shoot at me. Okay, I saw my shadow on the platform. We made it this time. Can I shoot things? It's all in my way. Get out of here, you bugs. Okay. Oh my goodness. The view up here though. Nice. We're almost there. Gotta just not fall. I don't want to get those quillies. Not right now, at least. Oh, goodness. I can speak to the key. Got one. See where this takes us now after all that. Isometric Palace. I can't move the camera in here. Okay. This is a weird place. Interesting. I wonder if it's like a puzzle in a way. Oh, up, up, up. There's a platform I actually get blown to over there. Okay. Can you help me? Probably was two ways. You could either get blown to the platform or probably a way the other way too. Oh, I think this is the starting spot. Hey. Hey kids, ready to equip the new tonic? Doubt it. Hunter, what's that? I don't know if we need a rare thing. I think we'll keep the butterfly, because they're still in need of some of those sometimes. We use them. Oh! Yeah, you're fast. Okay. We're gonna try that again. Okay. There we go. Hi. Friends, here to try Rextron's new arcade game? Hold on, I thought your work patch was in the other world. Money tight in Rextron household, the second evening shift. Sorry to hear that, Rextron. I didn't know that old game characters could multitask. Are you ready to try next arcade game? Did you bring a play coin? We've not found the play coin yet, Retro. We'll come back when we've got it. We didn't ever find it in the last game. Okay, let's get the Quillies up here. Oh, it's locked up. That's cool looking though. Lots of play coins. Laylee, I sense a trap. I think we should choose wisely. Probably this one that's spinning the wrong way. Play coin get. Return me to Rextron for some fun. Yeah. There was one spinning differently from the others. Hey, got it. We've got your silly coin, Polygon boy. Oh, good. Please approach arcade and press enter. If you beat game, Rextro gives special prize. Okay, we'll try this again. How do I get in? How am I supposed to get up there? Ugh. Trying to remember some of my buttons. How do I get up there again? Oh, got there. Okay. I have no idea about those quills. Okay. Oh. Come on, let me see through the bars. There we go. Do friends want to play fun arcade game? Sure. We will. Which one is it? Oh, it's the ice one. Is there a fun ice game? 2-minute game. Grab quills, grab power-ups, hit things, get the high score. Player squills and corporate battles. It's definitely arena brawler for you. Spin attack. No one over there. Get out of here. Invincibility. Is it? I'm trying to see how long I can stay up, probably. Also. I wonder how much the white ones are. Boost! No! Maybe a little too fast with the blocks missing. I'm getting there on time. I have no idea my numbers. What did I get? Oh, I was so concentrated on that. That was fun though. What did I do? Did I win something? Nice! Game has won! Did friends have fun? It was alright. You're not even going to ask us to submit a 5-star review? Are you sure? Oh no, Rextron bribed important reviewers a long time ago. Feel free to try game again. This time, if friends beat high score, Rextro gives another prize. So if we can play it and beat our score we just got, if I'd known that I wouldn't have tried so hard. Ugh. I don't know what the high score is. I didn't even pay attention. Be nice if it said high score right here. Oh, high score. There it is. 14. Oh, it's not my high score. It's their high score. Well, we can try. That's all we can do. I don't know what points we got last time. Okay, let's grab this. Ah, the little ice ones get you slipping. I feel like that's the same pattern as before. Come on, get these things. I like keep sliding past them. I just ran through like the whole middle and missed like everything. Oh. Hard when they're on the little icicles. Because I keep slipping past the edges of them all. The boost does help with the ice, though, I will say. I think we have over the high score if we can just keep it for the next 30 seconds and not lose it to any of these guys. No, we don't have the high score, isn't it? It's just... What was it? Was it 1400 or just... It was a 14,000. Whoa, we almost fell in. So close. Of course, I'm sneezing. Can't see what I'm doing at the very end. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness, can't even... Oh, we got him. Oh my goodness. Started sneezing. I can't even see what I'm doing. Good. We should have his prize now. Wow, Rextron can't believe you beat high score and you didn't even use cheat code. A cheat? What? Please, friends, take reward. What did he give us? What reward did he give us? Okay. No. No, we don't want to play. No. I am... No. No, I am trying to... I'm trying to fly, but if you in any way press that button to do jump, you're going to... Can't go that way then. Sorry, I kind of feel like I might sneeze again. Oh, get it that way. Just fly by it. Not that way. Go out this way. There we go. Another room. Interesting area. Whoa! Oh. There's a ledge there to get to. That is moving very fast. Can I? I can't fly there. Yeah. How are you supposed to get to that? That's quite the timing. Once that's there, it's almost to ya. Nope. That ledge catches you. You have to go down the middle. Okay. Can you accidentally get... Oh. Oh, what is at the end though? That's what makes me wonder. There's even Quillies here. You get high enough. Wonder if I can get on the edge and like... I can't get up there. Like a no spot. I almost made it to the edge, but I don't know. Can I go this way? Oh, I almost made it to the corner. Like more of a straight shot. Ow! Get out of the acid. Don't give yourself an acid bath. Oh. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that. That's really moving fast. Okay, I think we're just gonna take the other path. I'm not gonna kill myself 1,000 times over. Someone else who's better at that can try it. Oh, how do I get you out? Oh, can I go around? I don't know how you're supposed to get that. Unless it had something to do with the previous door. We have to do that. No, this door. No, I can't. It doesn't let me. I couldn't get on that ledge. On that wood. Am I supposed to somehow fly over all that? I guess jump it. How are we supposed to do that? It's like a one shot. Here, go back. Because it kind of resets the doors then. This has nothing to do with that page. I'm gonna be so annoyed. Ah, no, not a slam. No, no, reset the doors. Reset it. Give us a little leeway. Let's get a head start there. We did clear one though. And we started to glide even. That was good. Okay, go, 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 go. No, 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 no. We don't have... If you glide, you don't have the time to make the next jump. Okay, try not to glide. Just drop after you clear it. Have we made much progress in this? I think a little. Ah! There's a pagey at the end of this, is what it is. But it's not the door pagey. Okay. No! It just immediately slammed. Okay. Okay. I don't want this. I'm done. I'm done. Leave me alone, doors. I don't know about this one either. Can I eat the fire? There's like a ramp. There, it looks like. Can I fall off? I want to eat the fire. Anything. Ugh, I feel like it's so close. We're like just failing miserably. Okay, we're going back. I know there's ways to do it, but we're just failing so miserably here. No, I'm done with the door. No more doors. I made it. Okay, let's do this door. We haven't done this one. We took the quill, but not the door. Run! Go, girl. Come on. Come on. How many times am I supposed to go around this thing? I don't even know. That's a failing sound, but I don't know how many times we're supposed to do it. Okay, we don't have things in the way, so let's try to go a little faster. Snow slows us down. I'm concentrating. Past the snow. Okay, got it. Not too bad. You just gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Building work by Eric Weak Wall Partners. They put the weak in weak walls. Any other place we can blow up? I was gonna blow him up, but okay. Guess not. Ugh, I'm almost done with this area. I'm just like, be done. Oh my goodness. Well, I got rid of it. Maybe I need the ice one first to put out the fire. Ow. Okay. No, my thing's gonna wear off. Ugh. I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna have to go all the way back for one more, aren't I? I can't just make it across. My hands are all sweaty from this game. Ah, land. My bat's gonna get... Laylee's gonna get all tired. Okay. Just eat them! Can I eat them as fast as they come? Oh. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah. I have to start that puzzle over. No. Ugh. Ugh. Where was my water? Why wasn't it giving me the water? Just... My thumbs are hurting from this game. Ugh. I hit the wrong button. That's what I did. So I need to get here quick. Spit! Land! Decor by Edward Solstice Painters. LTD will plaster your plates. Oh, goodness. I guess there's a back way, because I bet it is the same if you go that way, too. Oh, goodness. Oh, hello. We don't get visitors down here very often. My name is Bernie, and I'm in charge of the heating in this place. You've not been doing a very good job. It's freezing. Yes, I like to keep the energy bills down, but it's never been this cold before. Any chance you could warm the place up, Bernie? There's no way I'll be able to spark a flame in this temperature. My innards are frozen solid. Want us to take a look? We've gotten quite good at problem solving. Go on then, but don't touch anything. I have a very sensitive stomach. We gotta climb around in them. Burr, warm my innards up quick. Oh my, what's this? Grr, who dares enter the overly cramped lair of the mighty breeze block? Can't you see this boiler is occupied? Hello there, we were just the dentist. We're here to check the health of Bernie's molars. Yep, all seems to be in order here. Nonsense. You're here to thaw me out and evict my damp, puddly remains out of the boiler. Onto the streets, aren't you? Pretty much, yeah. Then I will deliver you a frosty end before you get the chance. Oh, no. I'm gonna thaw those. I'm feeling those need melted out. He didn't much like that. Ah, oh, look what you've done! I'm melting! That's the point. Hey, you quit it. Oh, there! I need to heat this up. Yes. Perfect. Ow! Don't hurt me in it, though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nope, 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 nope. Stay away. I'm at 1 health. Any hidden health over here? He shot me. Okay. Okay, back in we go. And don't give me going to the cutscene each time. Go fast. Run, 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 run. Try not to get hurt as much. Whoa! Whoa! Need to just not attack him directly. It's more of a let him go over those. Ow! Don't step in it myself. Don't spit. Don't spit at me. Ah! Ha ha ha. That side's starting to go out. They like keep wanting to go out right about when he's gonna come for him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nope. I got shot. Nope. Whoa! I'm gonna die. You two are right panning the icicles. Yeah, probably. Ah! Jumping more wildly now. Ow! I did not need that right now. Oh! So close too! We're a little late on this video, but I didn't really want to leave because it's going to make me start again at the beginning of the book. I didn't want to have to get all the way up here and refine this place. But after this battle, we'll probably be done. Skip, 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 skip. Okay. Come on, light. Ah! Ow! Didn't get it lit though. Light the stupid light. Oh goodness. Well, he went down faster because I was helping burn him. We'll say it helped. Wait to light him until he's actually here and I can get some hits on him, maybe? Ah! Okay. Nope, 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 get behind the thing! Bah! Ow! I didn't do well by getting behind that. Whoa. Whoa. No, 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 no. Don't you shoot me. Whoa. I knew behind that scorched berry bush would come back to haunt me. Why'd you buy it in the first place? Crazy. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. We only got one hit. We're so close though. Run, 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 run. He's shooting so much more each time now. You're so tiny! It's like one false move though, and I'm gonna die. Oh! I couldn't run from that direction. No! No! We're so close! Oh! Fourth time's the charm, right? Okay. I think we can get it this time. We did a really good last turn. Yep, 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 yep. Okay. Alright. Excuse me. Help burn them all we can. Ow! I stayed too long. Stayed too long! Overstayed my welcome. Now he's gonna start shooting too. Is it me? Ow! Stay back a little bit. Okay. Now he's gonna get mad again. Spit, spit, spit. You two are right bang in the icicles. Okay. As long as I have enough running space, I don't have issue running them. Run, run, run. I knew that scorchberry bush would come back to haunt me. Waiting for it to stop. Up, 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 up. You stop, pals. Camera sight. There he goes. Nope, he's there. You're so tiny, dude. Ah, no, I know I should have locked the boiler. Knocked down walls. What a set into my 48-hour raid of terror frosting up the boiler. Tell my family I went out doing what I loved, firing projectiles at an interspecies buddy duo. Yay! I get to go talk to Boiler now? Oh, much better. You two heroes put a fire in my belly. This means I can warm the palace back up. Keep an eye out for the floor grates and the thermal heat. Surely come out in handy. What about the door that was in there? Oh! What am I supposed to do about the door that had been in there? Eat it. Ah, help push us up. There we go. Got our pagey for that. That was worth it. Alright, everyone. Well, you found a stack load of best US pages. Don't forget, many of my friends are hiding in the areas you can only find by expanding the grand tombs and ivory towers. Yeah, they're all around. I don't know if I need all of them though to complete the game. I'm not sure. Okay, everyone, we're gonna end it here. And I'm sure there's still more to do with this area, especially since we just unlocked the boiler area. But we are way over time. We'll just have to come back in here at another point. Get back up that honey ramp. Well, I hope everyone's enjoyed this. I have, and I will see you all next time in another episode of Yooka-Laylee. Bye, everyone.